Welcome to the Political Engineer. My name is Alan Myron. I hold a BS and MS in Chemical Engineering, and a PhD in Electrical Engineering. My focus has been in materials science, statistical thermodynamics, molecular simulations, molecular engineering, nanotechnology, process modeling and electronic design and automation, as well as artificial intelligence. Of all the news outlets and political commentators, I have not been able to find a channel or news personality covering news in an impartial and truly objective way. The goal of this channel is not only to inform, but to encourage others to follow the scientific method to achieve a better understanding of our political life. We engineers tend to prefer data over opinions. We want to understand the mechanisms that operate during natural and artificial processes, and we are always open to accept when our assumptions are proven wrong. More importantly, we love sharing our knowledge with others. In this episode, the goal is to explain how machine learning methods used by social networks have created, as a byproduct, distinct online communities. Hoaxy is a joint project of the Indiana University Network Science Institute and the Center for Complex Networks and Systems Research. Diffusion networks display how claims spread from person to person. Each node is a Twitter account and two nodes are connected if a link to a story is passed between those two accounts via retweets, replies, quotes, or mentions. What the diffusion graph indicates is the connection between Twitter users as well as a ranking of how bot-like properties those accounts display. Red means a very likely bot, blue a very likely human. Since the score is performed via a machine learning classification, the bot-like score is not 100% accurate, but it is an indicative of a trend. Let us now search Tulsi Gabbard. As you can see, Hoaxy shows how there is a core group of supporters with very close association with Tulsi. The closer one account is of another, it means the level of interactions between the accounts. Let us go one step forward, and add Donald Trump's Twitter account to the diffusion map. This graph defines the relations between people interacting with President Trump and Tulsi Gabbard. Now, you should get the idea. What happens when we add Bernie Sanders to the mix? What would you expect? How close do you think he would be to Tulsi Gabbard or Donald Trump? Now we can start building an understanding of the profile of people following a given candidate. Not by what other people tell us, but by understanding ourselves the interactions of our digital fingerprints. Bernie Sanders and Elizabeth Warren along with Tulsi Gabbard occupy a similar region of the map, while Andrew Yang's supporters are closer to President Trump. Twitter is not by all means but a slice of reality, but by simply running this very simple analysis, it is possible for you to make a determination to the type of messages you are listening to. And hopefully it will inspire you to seek the truth by yourself, independently of who is trying to influence you. Science is nothing but a tool. Use it while seeking truth.